welcome back to my channel. I am naturally Curlysa, and in today's video I am going to be doing a review and a demonstration on the Ampro products that I had in my last video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that description below. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. It's the same as my YouTube name, just with an underscore. And I am going to be using from Ampro's You Are Curly line. So I'm going to be using the shampoo. I am going to also be using their conditioner. And I'm going to be using their Tight Curl enhancer. I'm also going to be using their You Are Curly edge control for the edges that I can't do because I'm horrible at doing my edges. So we're going to see how this turns out. I think I'm going to do a style with some curl formers, so this is going to be kind of like a 2-in-1 video. If you're ready to see how these products work like I am, keep watching. Get straight into this video. I've already wet my hair, got the shampoo here, put this on here. I don't care about my shirt getting wet, the towel's in the way. Just gonna go through. I like the leather, it smells divine. It's cold. I don't know how these girls be making these videos. It's making my hair really soft. As you guys can see, just going through. My shirt is completely wet. So, first impressions, I like this shampoo. I like this shampoo. This is so much harder than washing my hair. I usually wash my hair in the shower, so this is weird. It's very minty. Okay, it's in my eye. Well, guys, this is a real tutorial, and I'm gonna be honest with you. I got shampoo in my eye, so let's go wash this out. I like it though. I give this shampoo a 10 out of 10. My eye gives it a 0 out of 10 because it's burning. All right, so next we're gonna put in the conditioner. Put this all over my hair. Now the true test for this conditioner is going to be when I comb my hair. My hair is super tingly. Smells good just like the other one. I'm gonna take my favorite brush and start on my ends. And don't comb your hair this hard. This is just me. I know my hair, you know, just like I know my car when it's on E. So I wouldn't recommend combing your hair this hard. So it's usually not this hard for me to get the comb through my hair with a conditioner. So I don't know if I'm feeling this conditioner too much. But then again, it could be because my hair is not soaking wet like I like it. Like my hair dries really fast. Don't worry about how much hair I just lost. So that was some hard combing. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. It usually doesn't take me this long to comb through my hair when I have conditioner in it, when I do use conditioner. So the slip is not really there. I'll give this a 5 out of 10. Probably wouldn't use this conditioner again, only because I'm struggling to comb through my hair. Like I got there, but it took me a while. So I don't know if I'm supposed to leave this in, but I'm gonna leave this in for probably about 10 minutes and then come back after it's washed out, and then we'll start the styling process. All right, so all of the conditioner is completely washed out. And I'm gonna be honest with you. My hair is super soft. Like, it's so soft. So I gave this a 5 out of 10 before because of the slippage in it. But I'm probably gonna up that to a 7 because, can you look at that? That's no product. And my hair feels amazeballs. Let's feel this side. Just to make sure. Yeah. That feels amazing. It's really soft. I'm gonna give it a 7. Would I buy it again? I don't know. I'm on the fence. I'm gonna have to wash my hair again with it in the shower instead of being out in the cold. Fix that eyebrow there. Because we're being honest here on this channel. This is the honest channel. And honestly, I like how soft it feels. But I don't like how much I had to comb my hair in order for my hair to detangle. Alright, so I'm gonna style my hair. What am I gonna do? Alright, I know I'm gonna use their curl enhancer. I think I'm gonna do a little braidage this side that connects to the back with a little va-va-voom going on this side. So I got the tight curl enhancer. It smells really good. Now I'm going to take some of their edge control. I like that it's thick. Doesn't really have a smell. Since I can't braid, I like to flat twist and then switch it to a braid so that it will stay. It's going to be clipped under. So we'll leave that out for the moment. I think I'm just gonna put it all over. It smells really good. I would probably have to try this for a wash and go. Alright, so for this style, I'm gonna take some unnamed holding mousse because this is not the center of the video. It's about Ampro. Curl formers are difficult. They suck to sleep in. I'm not even gonna sit here and act like they're the best thing smoking. Alright, so with the curl formers, I twist at the root. Push this up. Pinch at the top, pull my hair through. And that's one. It's just one. So I'm done. I don't think I really thought this through before I did it, but if you can kind of see the style I'm going for, I'm going to push this up a little bit more and have a little ensemble going on. And I'm not going to do those stupid sleeping hands that everybody does before they go to sleep in these videos because you already know I'm not going to have a good sleep. I'll probably get my best sleep on this side and wake up with a crook in my neck tomorrow. So, I'll see you in the morning. We'll see how this turns out. This morning, I survived. If it wasn't for this side, not having this, I probably wouldn't have slept at all. I don't even know if I slept. But let's take this down and see what it looks like. There's more. I thought I was done. Last one. Okay. Oh, I didn't get any sleep last night. With the curl formers, was it worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it in reverse. I don't know if it was worth it yet. Let me see if I can separate this correctly. Alright, so my overall review on the shampoo. I love the shampoo. I think that I would definitely buy that. The conditioner, I would probably have to, I like it because of the softness, but I would probably have to mix that with another conditioner just to get the slip that I'm looking for. The tight curl enhancer, I like it too. Like, my hair is super soft. Overall, I like this Euro curly line. I do. And I would definitely purchase it out of my own pocket. So I can't wait to try it again and use it for a wash and go and see how it does for my hair. But this is the final look. I'm gonna have to play with this a little more and get this out my face because I'm about to go to work. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to put the link in the description below of all the Ampro products that I received. Just in case you guys want to go out and buy some Ampro. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Alright, so after looking back at the video, I absolutely hated my hair. Like, it was a good concept. Didn't come out like I thought in my head. It probably would have been cute if I had curls all over. But the positive side of it is that curl formers make a cute high puff. So I just went on ahead and put my hair up in a little high puffage. It had nothing to do with the products. It was all user error on how I wanted to style my hair. So don't let that affect how you think you should buy. Wait a minute. If you think you should buy the products, because the products had nothing to do with me putting my hair in a puff. But it's still soft, it's still cute, it's really big and puffy. Can't win them all. Alright, so I'll see y'all on the next video for real this time.